Have you ever wondered why mastering digital marketing seems so complex and overwhelming? Well, you're not alone. Digital marketing is a vast and rapidly evolving field, with many different facets and nuances. It's like a giant puzzle with an ever-increasing number of pieces. You've got search engine optimization, content marketing, social media, email marketing, mobile marketing, and the list goes on. Each one of these elements requires a unique set of skills and knowledge. And to make things even more complicated, the rules of the game are constantly changing as new technologies emerge and consumer behaviors shift. For beginners, the sheer volume of information to learn and the pace of change can be daunting. You may find yourself feeling lost and overwhelmed, unsure of where to start or how to make sense of it all. It's like being dropped in the middle of a labyrinth with no map or guide, left to figure out the way on your own. But what if there was a way to simplify this complex landscape? What if there was a tool that could help you navigate the digital marketing maze with ease and efficiency? This is where Onpassive's AI technology comes into play. Onpassive's AI technology is like a GPS for digital marketing. It uses artificial intelligence to automate and optimize various aspects of digital marketing, making it easier for beginners to get their bearings and start making progress. This powerful tool can analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends and patterns, and make predictions about future behavior. It can help you understand your audience better, create more effective marketing strategies, and deliver more personalized and engaging content. In other words, Onpassive's AI technology can help you turn the complex puzzle of digital marketing into a clear and manageable picture. It can be your guide through the digital marketing labyrinth, helping you avoid dead ends and find the most efficient path to your goals. Fortunately, there's a smarter way to navigate the digital marketing labyrinth thanks to Onpassive's AI technology. So, are you ready to tackle the challenge of mastering digital marketing? Let's dive deeper into how Onpassive's AI technology can help you on your journey. But before we do get started, I'd like to ask you to do a favor for me. Please subscribe to this channel. If you do, I will promise to continue to bring you helpful information you and your friends need to know in order to market online. Thanks. In addition, please like and make comments below. Thank you very much. And now, on with the video. The solution to your digital marketing woes lies in leveraging the power of Onpassive's AI technology. Onpassive's AI technology is a cutting-edge platform that uses artificial intelligence to revolutionize the way we approach digital marketing. At its core, this technology is about automating processes, learning from data, and making informed decisions. It's like having a tireless, ultra-efficient member of your marketing team that never sleeps. So how does it work? Well, Onpassive's AI technology uses algorithms to analyze data and patterns. It can track customer behavior, segment audiences, and even predict future trends. Imagine being able to anticipate what your customers want before they even know it themselves. That's the power of AI. But it's not just about data analysis. Onpassive's AI technology also automates repetitive tasks. From sending out personalized emails to scheduling social media posts, it takes care of the grunt work so you can focus on the bigger picture. It's about working smarter, not harder. Now you might be thinking, that's all well and good, but what does this mean for my digital marketing? The potential impact is huge. By using Onpassive's AI technology, you can target your marketing efforts more effectively. You can reach the right people at the right time with the right message. That means more engagement, more conversions, and ultimately, more success. Moreover, Onpassive's AI technology is continually learning and adapting. It gets smarter with each interaction, refining its approach for even better results. It's not just about keeping up with the competition, it's about staying one step ahead. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to use it. Onpassive has designed their AI technology to be user-friendly and accessible. So even if you're new to digital marketing, you can still harness the power of AI. Isn't it fascinating to see how AI technology can transform your digital marketing journey? Let's delve deeper. Now that you have an understanding of Onpassive's AI technology, it's time to learn how to use it to your advantage. To start, let's set up your Onpassive account. This process is straightforward. Simply visit the Onpassive website and follow the prompts to create your account. Remember to choose a secure password and take note of your login details for future use. Once your account is set up, it's time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your digital marketing activities. On the left-hand side, you'll find various tools and features that are designed to streamline your marketing efforts. Spend some time exploring these tools and reading the accompanying tutorials to get a better understanding of their functionalities. Next, let's dive into the heart of Onpassive's AI technology, the predictive analytics feature. This tool uses sophisticated algorithms to analyze your marketing data and predict future trends. To use it, simply upload your data, select the predictive analytics option, and let the AI do its magic. The results will give you valuable insights into your market, helping you make data-driven decisions and stay ahead of the competition. Another key feature of Onpassive's AI technology is the automated content creation tool. This feature harnesses the power of AI to create engaging and SEO-friendly content. Simply input some basic information about the topic you want to cover, and the AI will generate a draft for you. You can then refine and personalize this content to match your brand's voice and style. Onpassive's AI technology also offers a powerful social media management tool. This feature allows you to schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze your social media performance. It even uses AI to recommend the best times to post based on when your audience is most active. To use this tool, connect your social media accounts to your Onpassive account and start scheduling your posts. Lastly, let's talk about Onpassive's AI-powered email marketing tool. This feature allows you to create personalized email campaigns, track their performance, and optimize them based on the insights provided by the AI. To use this tool, you'll need to upload your email list, create an email template, and set your campaign goals. The AI will then help you optimize your campaign for maximum engagement and conversion. Remember, the key to mastering digital marketing with Onpassive's AI technology is experimentation and continuous learning. Don't be afraid to test different strategies, analyze the results, and make adjustments as needed. The AI is there to assist you, but the final decisions are always in your hands. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering digital marketing using Onpassive's AI technology. Now that we've walked through the process, let's consolidate our learning. Firstly, it's important to remember that digital marketing isn't a one-size-fits-all. The beauty of Onpassive's AI technology is its ability to understand and adapt to your unique business needs. It gathers and analyzes data to provide you with insights that can help tailor your marketing strategy. Remember, starting with a clear goal is crucial. Whether it's increasing website traffic, boosting brand awareness, or driving sales, Onpassive's AI can help you achieve it. It's like having a personal assistant that understands your business as well as you do. Secondly, don't be afraid to experiment. The digital marketing landscape is always evolving, and so should your strategies. Test different approaches, monitor the results, and adjust accordingly. Onpassive's AI technology can help you do this efficiently, providing real-time data and analytics that can guide your decisions. Thirdly, it's all about the customer. Onpassive's AI technology can help you understand your audience better. It can identify patterns and trends in customer behavior and provide insights that can help you create more personalized and engaging content. Remember, the more you understand your customers, the better you can serve them. Fourthly, SEO is your best friend. Onpassive's AI technology can help optimize your content for search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find you. It can analyze keywords, track your ranking, and even suggest improvements to boost your visibility. Lastly, don't forget the importance of social media. Onpassive's AI can help you manage and optimize your social media presence, making it easier for you to connect with your audience and build relationships. In conclusion, mastering digital marketing is a journey, not a destination. It requires continuous learning and adaptation. But with Onpassive's AI technology, you have a powerful tool at your disposal. Remember, mastering digital marketing doesn't have to be overwhelming. With Onpassive's AI technology, you're more than equipped to navigate the digital landscape. So, there you have it, a beginner's guide to mastering digital marketing with Onpassive's AI technology. This innovative tool is truly a game changer, taking the complex world of digital marketing and simplifying it into a process that's accessible to beginners. Imagine the potential of this technology. It's like having an expert marketing team at your fingertips. working around the clock to optimize your strategy. It's like having a crystal ball that can predict consumer behavior and market trends. Now, it's your turn to harness this power. Start using Onpassive's AI technology and see the difference it can make in your marketing efforts. It's time to stop feeling overwhelmed by digital marketing and start feeling empowered. So go ahead, dive into the world of AI-powered marketing. Experiment, learn, grow, and watch your marketing game transform. Embrace the future of digital marketing with Onpassive's AI and watch your marketing game reach new heights. For information on how you can join this awesome company, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.